and greetings to all. We from Group 11 would like to speak about women and leadership as well as the challenges that women face in leadership. First and foremost, I would like to talk about women and leadership today. Women now have the talent, experience, educational background to lead in their field. However, they rarely represent the highest leadership position. Furthermore, even if they are identified as capable of leading the organization, women are still viewed as unprepared and unqualified to take on responsibilities as leaders. Next, gender issues in leadership. Women are viewed as a danger to men's leadership as well. This is seen as such because society has grown accustomed to the patriarchal atmosphere inherited from previous eras. Men hold the majority of high-level positions in many bureaucracies, whether government or corporate. In short, male dominance is the most significant barrier to women achieving position of power in business and leadership. Furthermore, barriers to women's leadership. Women continue to face the challenge of doing what men do for the same job and advancing to positions of leadership, despite the fact that female leaders face a variety of challenges throughout their careers. Women remain resilient in the face of adversity in order to achieve their objective to the best of their abilities. Several impediments to women's development as autonomous leaders still exist. Let us look at some of the current highlights to women's leadership.
Okay, now I want to share with you the biggest challenges to be a female leader. There are 3 challenges that I want to share with you. The first one is about career goals. The second one is about issue of age, and the third one is about skills and experience. Let's see what are the biggest challenges to be a female leader. The first challenge to be a female leader is about career goals. Okay, career goals tell us that when you want to get something, you need to struggle it yourself. To get what have you aim, to get what have you have target. Then, issue of age also is the challenge to be a female leader. For example, mostly the female want to achieve their dreams under 30 years old, do their career until 40 years old or 50 years old like that. So there are no issue about age anymore, and they can build their career based on their young age. Next, the challenge to be a female leader is about skills and experience. Skills and experience are very important to be chosen as an employee in any company. It is because they will look at your resume. Do you have your background, your advantage, and they will look at your skills, and they will look at your experience too. So that skills and experience are very important to get any job in any company.
There are many challenges that women need to face in leadership. I want to explain to you 3 of the challenges. The first one is to be underrepresented in leadership position. The second one is lifestyle conflict, and the last one is about gender barriers. The first challenge is to be underrepresented in leadership position. Past perception of leadership skills, competence, and assertiveness may hinder the ability of women to succeed in any type of management. Women's paths to leadership are often more difficult and interrupted compared to men. There is already abundant evidence of a widespread issue such as lower salaries, appointment at lower ranks, slower rate of promotion and retention, and less recognition through awards have been extensively described as tangible manifestation of gender-based obstacles. The next challenge is about lifestyle conflict. Women nowadays face various challenges in their daily life, including matters related to leadership. In addition to the roles they hold in their organization, they remain primary caretakers for their families. Women leaders who are mothers face additional challenges since they must juggle career and family responsibilities which causes conflict because they think they have to choose one to the other. Another challenge that women need to face in leadership is gender barriers. Women are equally qualified to serve as leaders, but there are barriers to their advancement to position of leadership. Gender remains to be a barrier to women seeking and obtaining leadership position. There are differences between men and women leadership styles, but the differences do not signify that one is better compared to the other.
In addition, one of the biggest challenges that female leaders had to face is discrimination factor. Women's abilities are said to be much lower compared to men, either physically, mentally, or intellectually. Some claims that the women are weak, not as intelligent as the men emotionally compared to males. Next, the challenge to the female leadership is family, work, and time constraints. The role of women is limited to housewives who take care of children, devoted to the husband, as opposed to being a career woman. Besides that, the biggest challenge to female leadership are their emotional nature. Women are frequently related with emotion. The challenge faced by women leaders are the ways they control their own emotions in decision making and also in lead their organization so that they do not run away from their real organization goals.
Another challenge that might face by women in leadership position is gender role stereotypes, personal challenge, and organizational challenge. Firstly, in gender role stereotype, Samahatim Al-Maki writes, difference in behavior between males and females is a result of the many roles that both genders are expected to play in society. Besides, women's leadership was viewed from a variety of angles by society in a country due to various things. For example, society in Saudi Arabia is more open thinking and acceptance their leaders' gender. In terms of personal challenge, family responsibilities is one of the difficult element for women in leadership position. This is because women's job entails not just looking for the well-paying subordinates but also responsibilities at home. In addition, to make sure they can achieve balance between their work and personal life, women should know their priorities. On the other hand, female leaders need to change their situation to be more flexible between the workplace and home. In the organizational challenge, women have not risen to leadership position in significant numbers due to variety factors including lack of acceptance women as leaders, culture, overall workplace change, women's workplace communication styles, and generational shifts. Furthermore, work overload also gives impact on female leaders as well because being a leader is not an easy duty. They need to find out whether their workers are doing well or not to make sure everything goes well. What can be concluded in this title is there are many challenges that women must face in holding position as leaders, such as career goals, age limitation, skill and experience, underrepresented leadership positions, lifestyle conflicts, gender barriers, discrimination factors, gender role stereotypes, personal challenge, and organizational challenge. Nevertheless, it is not to show that women are not qualified at all to be a leader, no matter in what field. To be a trusted and highly confident leader, every challenge must have solution which can be accomplished by numerous guidelines for women's leadership, such as acquiring knowledge, demonstrating their abilities as successful female leaders, and taking advantage in leadership opportunities before enrolling in leadership training courses.